Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is, a child has a die whose 6 faces show the letters as given below: A, B, C, D, E, A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting number 1 A, number 2 D? So guys, this question is really very simple and very straightforward. So let us see how we can answer this question. Let us put down the things that are given in the question. Now if you look into the question is saying about some die that the child is having. Now if you look here to the question is telling something about the die that the child is having. As per the question, the child is having a die which is having the letters A, B, C, D, E, A. Now, the first part of the question says, what is the probability of getting, what is the probability of getting letter A, This is what being asked. Now guys, if you look here, the number of favorable outcomes for A is 2, because here we have two number of A's. Here we have 1A and here we have 2A. So the number of favorable outcome for A is 2 here. So I can write favorable outcome for A, for getting A, is equal to 2. This is what we could see. And the total number of outcome is here. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I can write total number of outcomes. Is equal to 6. Now guys, we very well know that the probability of an event is given by number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, is given by number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. This is the way that the probability of an event calculated. So I can write here now the probability of event is equal to 2 upon 6, because here the number of favorable outcomes is 2 and the total number of outcomes is 6. So I can write then probability of an event is equal to 2 upon 6. Or I can write probability of an event is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So guys, this is our answer. What we got? We got probability of the event is equal to 1 upon 3. And we can write, or we can say here, that the question is asking what is the probability of getting A. So we can write here, or we can say that the probability of getting an A, the concluding answer, we can say that the probability of getting an A, is 1 upon 3. This is what we got. This is our answer. Now let us look into the second part of the question. The second part of the question says, what is the probability? The second part of the question is saying, what is the probability of getting D? This is what being asked as the second part of the question. Now guys, Let us determine the number of favorable outcome for this D. Number of favorable outcome is equal to and total number of outcome. Total number of outcome. So guys, let us first of all determine what is the number of favorable outcome for this particular for getting D. If you look here to the die, we will see that, or we will find that the number of outcomes for D is only 1. This is the only one. This is the number of favorable outcome for D is only 1, because D is displayed here only once. So D is the favorable outcome for getting D is only 1, and total number of outcome it remains with 6. So I can write now here number of favorable outcome is equal to 1 for getting D, and total number of outcome is equal to 6. So probability of event, that means probability of getting D, is equal to 1 upon 6. Guys, this is our answer. So we can say that the probability of getting a D is 1 upon 6. So we can say the probability of getting D is 1 upon 6. And here I can write 1 upon 6. And the concluding answer we can say the probability of getting D is 1 upon 6. Hope guys you understood the way or the calculation that I did in getting the answer. But still, if you have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.